Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find blocked account on Facebook Messenger. So you have to just open your Facebook Messenger and go to three horizontal line of left corner and click to setting and scroll down and find privacy and safety. So you have to click on privacy and safety and there is blocked accounts, so you have to click on block accounts. So when you have to click to block accounts, there are the list of blocked contacts which have you blocked. So if you want to unblock someone, you will click in anyone of contact. So there is an option to unblock. So if you want to unblock, you can unblock from there. So it's just simple how to find blocked content on Messenger. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.